Hello students, I hope you enjoyed introduction video of mensuration about total surface area and lateral surface area of cuboid. Only learning mensuration formulas and calculating answer is not the correct way to get marks in mensuration. Understanding the language of the word problem is also very important. So let's start developing the understanding of the question. Here, given plastic box is open, the box does not have its top. In the figure, we can clearly see all the 5 faces and we have to find the area of all the faces. As you can see that face 1 is having the dimension, length and height. So its area would become length into height. Face 2 is having the dimension breadth and height. So its area will become breadth into height. And face 5 is having dimension length and breadth. So find out the area of the fifth face by multiplying length and breadth. And by adding all these 5 faces area, we are capable to get the area of the desired sheet. Or you can find out the area of the required sheet by directly using the total surface area of the cuboid and subtracting only the sixth face, which is length into breadth, from it. By solving directly we can find out the formula of the desired 5 faces area or the area of an open cuboid. Or we can further simplify the formula by taking 2h common from it. Now it's our choice whether we can use the formula 2bh plus 2lh plus lb, or we can use the formula 2h l plus b plus lb. So let's start. Here the dimensions are not having the same unit. First of all, we change 65 centimeter to 0.65 meter and put the values of length, breadth and height in our proper formula. Start solving it by the use of BODMAS. 2 multiply 0.65 will give us 1.30. Then we have to solve the bracket. After solving 1.5 plus 1.25, we can get 2.75. Again sign of plus, then multiply 1.50 with 1.25, which give us 1.875. Now again, first of all, do this multiplication according to the BODMAS rule. It gives us 3.575 and add 1.875 to it. And finally, we get the answer 5.450 meter square. Second part, we are having cost of 1 meter square is equals to rupees 20. So we have to find the cost of 5.45 meters is equals to rupees 20 multiplied by 5.45. So the desired cost is rupees 109. We have learned application of total surface area of cuboid in different situations. As shared in the last question, the top face was missing, so we reduce length breadth from it. Similarly, next question is demanding the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. Therefore, floor will be removed from total surface area of cuboid to get the desired answer. Same formula we used and carefully put the values. Next step, to use the BODMAS to solve the again 6 into 9, 54 plus 20 by using the BODMAS formula, and we got the area which we have to paint 74 meter square. Now directly we can find the cost of painting also by multiplying 7.50 with 74, which is rupees 555, and the statement answer is required that cost of painting is rupees 555. Let's start one more word problem. The floor of rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Cost of painting of 4 walls is given to us rupees 15,000, as well as the rate of painting 1 meter square is rupees 10 given to us in the given question. Now concentrate on the first line. If I'll draw a rectangular hall and I'll concentrate only on the floor of it, so we can easily recognize that the shape of the floor is rectangle. So we can use the perimeter of rectangle, which is twice of length plus b. So I can create the equation that's 250 is equals to 2 times L plus b. Now concentrate on the next line. Here we can use the unitary method and find out the next step. Rupees 10 is the cost of painting is equals to 1 meter square area, as well as rupees 1500 is the cost of painting of 15,000 upon 10 meter square area. So the area of the 4 walls is equals to 15,000 upon 10, and by cutting we get the answer 1500 meter square is the area which we have to paint. I can replace this area of the 4 walls with 2HL plus B, which is equals to 1500 again. In the question it is already given that the perimeter is 250, so I can replace this 2 and L plus B with 250. Multiply with H, which is equals to 1500. So H, which is height, we can easily calculate by dividing 1500 with 250. We can easily cut it and we get the height, which is 6 meter. Don't forget to write down the statement answer that required height of the hall is 6 meter. You can rewind, forward, stop the video according to your speed of learning. Keep on learning and do practice. In our next video, we will discuss some more word problems of cuboid, lateral surface area and total surface area.